Welcome to another episode of Sean Chronicles, going all the way live with your host, me, Brother Sean Muhammad. I hope everybody had a wonderful Father's Day. To all the fathers out there, I had a major plumbing scare and it gave me a panic attack. But everything worked out. But I'm telling you, it was a doozy. So I was able to resolve the issue without having to pay thousands of dollars potentially in damage and repair by a professional plumber. I did it myself. So I guess you could say for Father's Day, I was a weekend warrior. With the help of my son and my wife, we got the job done. Here's a little bit of the aftermath. Here I am, faced with a plumbing problem that I had to cap off. And thanks to my son, who figured out how to turn off the water in the house through the water heater. It was a mess in here, but now it's time to fix the problem. First thing I'm gonna do, cut this PEX right at the point where I don't take off too much. Boom. There that goes. You have to follow the instructions and don't do anything unless you have a good and clear understanding as to what needs to be done. And as you can see, that excess water from the tank is running out because the actual problem that I was trying to fix, which was a leak in the first place, that's what makes your water bill go up. So the next thing we do is install the mounting nut. Insert the metal clip into refill tube. This is the refill tube. This long tube. Now, we got a crimp. I don't know, I call it a shut-off valve. It's an angle stop. That's what it's called. This is an angle stop. I'm gonna take this off. This nut came off here because that's how it comes in the package. Because I'm using this one. If you can see. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. But that's what it looks like, right? So you can see that. But this part is important because this goes here. Put that on, but before we lock it, we want to make sure that all of the parts are in place correctly. Make sure that crimp ring is in place. Now I can go ahead and tighten my valve. It's good to invest in your own tools, and if you need to go to YouTube and learn something new, it's worth it. This is my crimper. Put it on that ring. This is what makes plumbers so expensive. This is my property. I can't mess it up. That crimp is on there. Now we gotta open it up. The moment of truth. So far, no leak here. Feel around the connections. The water is on and flowing. When it gets up to that hole in the black part right there, it's supposed to stop. So if we did this right, it stopped. All right, ready? All right, group. The moment of truth. Cut the camera, cut the camera. Anything leaking?
No.
All right, so we got some paint repairs to do down there. So we got to get to that. We got some flooring that we're going to do and fix up their bathroom, but they're going to pay for it.